Hello, this is the final project of EEL 6905 with Professor Dapeng Wu, University of Florida. My name is Shengkai. Today I'm going to present wireless medium access CSMA with collision avoidance. CSMA is short for carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. It's a median access method in IEEE 802.11. It's a layer 2 access method. Why we need carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance? The most direct answer is that the transmitted medium cannot be used by multiple users simultaneously. For example, a group of people in a dark room, if only one people talk and others can hear clearly, but if two people talk, no one can hear clearly because two speakers interference each other. So there should be some rules to coordinate the access, to arrange the order who talk first, who talk later, so that make everyone can hear clearly. The rules here is CSMA with collision avoidance. Now let me introduce how it works. For example, if a node want to send the data, first it will listen to the medium and check if the channel is idle. Check the channel if the channel is idle. If the channel is not idle, the sender will generate back off time and count for that time. When that time count down, it will check the medium again. If no one uses the medium, the sender will send a request to send to the receiver. If receiver successfully receive the RTS from the sender, it will reply CTS immediately. So when the sender will check if it will receive clear to send. If it's not received, it will generate back off time and check the channel again. If receive CTS, it means the connection between the sender and the receiver has been established. It will start sending data. This is a process, the working process of the CSMA with collision avoidance. But the RTS and the CTS is an optional mechanism in carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. This is used to solve the hidden node problem, which is the sender cannot hear each other, so they don't know others send data to the access point. Because the control frame is small, so the cost is also very small, and it can solve the hidden node problem. But even though the control frame is small, but it's increase the cost. So whatever it's not the collision avoidance is not as efficient as the carrier sense multiple access with collision detector, which is used in Ethernet. Now I will explain the RTS and the CTS to you. Assume that station C and station B and station E in the transmission range of the station A, and station A, E, D in the range of station B. Now A want to send data to B, so it's send a request to send to B, and B reply CTS to A. Now let's analyze how other nodes performance. For C, when A send RTS, it can receive RTS, but when B reply CTS, it cannot receive that. So for C, it's just receive RTS, but cannot receive CTS. So when A send data to B, C can also send its own data without affecting B. For station B cannot receive RTS from A, but D can receive CTS from B. So station D should not send data when B receiving data, to avoid the interrupting transmission from the A to B. For station E, it can receive both RTS and CTS. So station E cannot send and receive during the transmission between A and B. Here I found a simulation on Wikipedia. It's really helpful for you to understand how CSMA, CA, and RTS, CTS work. In this simulation, there are 3 mobile stations and 1 access point, and these 3 stations can